Mr. Lindsay, the number one motivator, south side of the equator. Now, as black people, we sometimes get angry, we get upset, we get depressed, we get miserable when other black people don't support what it is that we are doing. So here's my advice to you if you are in the same boat. Treat yourself like a company and treat your fellow black people as your customers. Make them your target market. But as a CEO, you need to understand that just because your target market doesn't support your business doesn't need to fail. You as the CEO also need to adopt new tactics and new strategies to make sure that the company stays afloat and the company remains profitable. Ferruccio Lamborghini didn't have black people in mind when he designed the Lamborghini. He had rich Italians in mind. Ferdinand Porsche didn't have black people in mind when he designed the Porsche. He had rich German people in mind. But just because we are not the target market doesn't mean we are banned from buying, doesn't mean we are not allowed to purchase Porsches, doesn't mean we are not allowed to purchase Lamborghinis. It is just that we are not the target market. So the product wasn't made for us, but the fact that we can afford it means we can buy it. And I'm saying to you now, if other fellow black people don't want to support you, that's their doing. Let them do what they do, whilst you do what you're doing with what you have, with where you are. Push it. It's gonna work out. Mr. Lindsay, shopping away.